Welcome to P&O ARVIA, the tour. This brand new cruise ship will provide accommodation for up to 5,200 passengers and 1,762 crew members. It has 20 decks and 2,614 passenger cabins. I want to start this tour with the 9 new things that you will find on this cruise ship that you will not find on any other P&O cruise ship. The first being the Sky Dome. You may be thinking Iona features a sky dome, but the one on ARVIA is retractable. This 970 square metre glass roof will be the special entertainment feature of the cruise ship. Located on decks 16 and 17, the Sky Dome includes a C screen which will offer both blockbuster movies and classic movie sing-alongs. The Sky Dome will also be used for cocktail parties, live music, late night DJ sets under the stars, cookery demonstrations, family shows, game shows and interviews. A new exciting addition to P&O ARVIA is the swim-up bar and stunning infinity pool, providing uninterrupted views of the ship's wake and offering a unique on-deck experience. Located on deck 19, you will find 2 navigational courses, an altitude skywalk high ropes adventure, which does not look like it's for the faint-hearted, and altitude mini golf 54 metres above the ocean. Exclusive to ARVIA is Mission Control, a unique immersive experience set on board a fictional submarine. P&O has formed an exclusive partnership with Tidal Rum, which will create a unique rum blend especially for ARVIA's Caribbean sailings. The rum production will take place on board ARVIA in the rum distillery at sea in the Anderson's Bar. Anderson's Bar is a stylish and intimate lounge bar that is relaxed and ideal for reading in the day, but in the evening it comes to life and there is a social buzz, making it the perfect spot for an aperitif or after dinner drinks. The spa. Now you may be thinking, Lucy, every cruise ship has a spa. But the Oasis Spa on ARVIA, located on decks 5 and 6, will feature 2 VIP couple suites furnished with a hammam bed and steam rooms, a therapeutic cool room and a restorative salt sauna. Iona debuted new restaurants like the Keel and Cow and the familiar options at the Quay, but ARVIA has some culinary surprises in store, such as Green & Co featuring Razuna, offering guests exquisitely crafted fish and plant-based dishes, which will cost a little bit extra but are definitely worth it. Then there is the all-new 6th Street Diner, which is an all-American diner serving breakfast, brunch, dinner and sweet treats, accompanied with great music and ice-cold cocktails. And amazingly, this is included in the price. Bound to be a huge favourite with ARVIA's Brit guests is the Roast at the Quays, offering traditional lunches served with a modern twist, including jumbo Yorkshire puddings filled with Sunday roast favourites. And this is of course included. So those are the 9 new things that you will find on P&O ARVIA, but 10 if you include the stats. Other dining options that you are most likely familiar with if you have cruised with P&O before are the Olive Grove. Everyone loves the sunshine and this is where they serve it up. You can enjoy Mediterranean style favourites like Greek meze and Moroccan lamb tagine. The Meridian restaurant. Enjoy elegant plated service for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and a special celebration night dinner created by food hero Marco Pierre White. The Keys. Quick serve style sizzling Asian flavours at Fusion, British seaside specials at Hook, Line and Vinegar, or you can go for the Roast, which is new to ARVIA. The Horizon restaurant. Whatever you fancy, you will find it at the Horizon Buffet. A casual all-day dining venue offers an incredible variety of food, so it's sure to suit every appetite and dietary need. The restaurants I'm going to go through now, you will have to pay an additional fee to dine at them. Located on deck 6 in the atrium, you will find Vistas, where you can indulge in their exquisite sweet treats and get a cup of Costa coffee or a Tea Pig's cup of tea. One of P&O's favourites is Sindhu. Prepare for a flavour-filled adventure in stylish and sumptuous surroundings. Sindhu celebrates the best of contemporary Indian cuisine. You could also make a date on a sea day to enjoy a delicious tiffin-style lunch. Positioned in the grand atrium on deck 7, the glass house is one of the best spots to watch the aerial performances and ever-changing seascapes as you wine and dine. Whether you opt for a curated menu of small bites and sharing platters, or a hearty main, explore the immersive wine list and find the perfect pairing for your meal. The Keel and Cow. From breakfast till late, this is the place to relax with friends and enjoy beautifully crafted gastropub food and a fine collection of draft and bottled beers. The Epicureum on deck 17 emphasises fine dining with its refined and elegant surroundings, impeccable service, crisp white tablecloths, and premium wine list created by a head sommelier. Sundays and Ripples are both places located on the ship where you can find a wide variety of ice cream, gelato and sweet treats. You can also get your cup of coffee here and of course your cup of tea. As I said, those restaurants that I have just mentioned you will have to pay an extra fee for. Now I have missed a few out, but we have covered most of the dining options on board ARVIA. Bars you may be familiar with if you have cruised on P&O before. The Crow's Nest Bar on deck 17. The Crow's Nest is a daytime retreat for relaxed socialising, coffees with a good book and quiet contemplation. In the evening it transforms effortlessly into a stylish cocktail lounge. For glamorous evenings, sipping exclusively crafted cocktails, Amber Lounge in the Grand Atrium is the place to be. Dramatic ocean views, aerial artists and live entertainment add to the unforgettable ambiance. The Limelight Club on deck 6. This much-loved super club pulls out all the stops for an unforgettable evening. Stylish, intimate and dusted with celebrity sparkle. There's no better place for a fun, sociable, surprising evening. The good times are back at Brodie's. The authentic British pub is a sociable place with a lively atmosphere. Gather with your friends, family and fellow guests to enjoy the ship's large range of British and international bottled beers, ciders and real ales. Much loved entertainment including live music, quizzes, karaoke and sports are all part of the fun. If you are feeling lucky, the adjacent casino offers high quality gaming for all levels of players. From slot machines to popular table games, expert crew are on hand for interactive tutorials, so you are sure to have the best night of your life. And moving on from bars, we of course have cruise ship classics like the Headliners Theatre located on decks 6 and 7, where you can prepare for a spectacular evening of entertainment. The whole family will love an outing to Ocean Studios. The 4-screen cinema complex offers a warm welcome, comfortable seating and a premium cinema experience. With screenings throughout the day, there's always the option to see an age-appropriate blockbuster or family classic. The retail section of the cruise ship will include the Avenue on deck 8 with more than 1,300 square metres of shopping space. Brand new to ARVIA, this shopping space will offer pre-loved Louis Vuitton and Chanel bags, new beauty brands never seen before on ships, and the retail space would not be complete without the sizable P&O merch store. Next to the shops, you will also find your Shore Excursions desk, photography department, and the Next Cruise department where you can book another cruise with P&O, which you are surely going to want to do after cruising on P&O ARVIA. The free onboard program for 2 to 17-year-olds is split into 4 distinct age groups so that the needs and level of play in each group can be met and to ensure that they have the chance to make friends their own age. There's a whole host of exciting activities available, all organised daily by the enthusiastic DBS-checked Reef Rangers, so you can rest easy knowing your kids are having a great time while you indulge in some much-needed R&R. So that is my tour of P&O's brand new cruise ship, ARVIA. Let me know what you think of the cruise ship in the comments, and also if you have any questions about things that I have mentioned, you can ask me in the comments down below and I will be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.